Mario Ira. Nana kuvizo yadi hapa.
Yeah, no, make you able to. So this is the reopening of the Kumasi. International Airport. Kumasi Day.
International Airport.
Okay, so the reopening of Nana Jumani Prempes International Airport. So you're watching live from between Koba TV Plus. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. Yeah, so there's a reopening of so this is from the entrance. We are taking it from the entrance to where the commissioning will be held. Yeah, so we are taking it from the entrance. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. So we are taking it from the entrance to where the commissioning, the main program will be held. From the entrance. Yeah, so this is how the whole place looks like. So we are now going to where exactly the airport and the program will be taking place. Yeah, so this is where we are taking this from. This the entrance of the Kumasi International Airport. This is the entrance. So this is where we are taking it from. So from here up to where the program will be held, please kindly subscribe and like this video. Yeah, so we are reporting from the Kumasi International Airport. So this is where the program is going to be held, and we are taking it from the entrance. So please, where you are watching from is the entrance. Yeah, the entrance of the Kumasi International Airport. So you can see the military people around. Yeah, they are all supervising and guiding for the program to be successful. Yeah. So if you can see the military people around, yeah, they are all supervising for the program to be successful. You are watching it's a live broadcast of OWUSU television. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share for many more. But you're fine. Ha. I'm going to buy. You know, I say police for you know. Yeah, me muzalo kwa ndani. Jamaa gaza mempema kwa. Suma. Ya wa panzo boys ya kwa forma bawo de. Omo apuri video kwa mo apuri thumbnail. Video wa ko thumbnail. Mo apuri thumbnail po. Ba ko de ono se for upload video YouTube for our thumbnail. Boy, you I feel is here. Hanu. Boy, be na mcheze. Ya mitu ya niko. You know what? Yeah, na idea good. Na boy, secret. Me secret that. A deep boy. A deep secret. Yeah, so fam, this is where the program is taking place. I won't compare or not about the now, what's my mama? Again, I don't manager. You go now, Tuesdays now. The piece of paper. Abi, the manager so on ye. Na get on so why. You chile kwanza manager the kind of why. What? And you guys, someone else go to work. Let's go. Let's go. So nanti.
Say, could be a buyer and about your food.
I about you said.
There is secret with you, mammy. You do. I said, manager catching some input and a corn if you are.
I can't wrong.
I said, manager ban if you are. I think.
And yet, no, I know who. I said, I put in an Indian.
You say, we see,
none of the catching is a poor pig, my major and maybe Miana or no, big will take on.
Sir, I say, some more happy. I know I'm sure I'm
wouldn't say even about it, no baby. You can be wearing a training or trade statements or training the accounts we try and put next one over the official.
Sir,
the guy or say a better copy. The guy why yeah, so this is a live broadcast from the Kumasi International Airport, and this is a transfer from there to where the program will be taking place. So we are streaming live right here on the team for what television. Well, you never take your revenge. You never take your revenge.
Baba, but more than 1 year, you can have it.
I'm a bit fatigued in areas I create. Not the ball or the people. Please come on, let's get a clear view of what is actually going on inside the Kumasi International Airport. Today is the reopening and we are here to serve you what's actually happening over here. Gano when we use drone, we probably doing airport to drone. What is two drones there was good. Yeah, so yes, that's from the entrance, and then we are going to where the program is actually taking place, and we are streaming live on the Tune for television. Please kindly subscribe. Oh, I can't see you liking. Please like the video. So we are going to where the program is actually taking place. Please like the video, like and share the video. Today marks the reopening of the Kumasi International Airport, and we are reporting live here. So today I'm going to show you all the beauty inside the Kumasi International Airport. What actually the president of the Republic of Ghana has actually done. Yeah, it's a very cool place, and the place is very, very nice. Yeah, so there's the entrance. A very nice place, a very nice place. So you are watching a live broadcast of Otumfuoba television. So this is from the entrance up to where the program is actually taking place. Yeah, so there's all the beauty inside the Kumasi International Airport. This is what actually the president of the Republic of Ghana has done for. I mean, yeah, so there's all the beauty inside the Kumasi International Airport. It's a very nice place, a very nice place. It's a very nice place. It's a very nice place. Yeah, so there's a full footage of where the program is actually taking place. This is where the program is actually taking place. So there's a full footage of it. Yeah, it's a very cool place and very loving. If you just so if you're looking at it, where there's what exactly the president of the Republic of Ghana has actually done. It's a very nice place. If you're looking at it, it's a very nice place. A very nice place. A very nice place. It's a very nice place. Yeah, so it's a very nice place. And we are broadcasting from the reopening of the Kumasi International Airport. So there's some of the nice scenes. The thing that you'll be seeing inside the Kumasi International Airport. These kinds of like you said, and we are streaming live. Today we'll be serving you with all the goodness, all the good things inside the Kumasi International Airport. squad in the
Lanum Agafonum and the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Afebio, His Majesty Otumfo Osei-Tutu II, for the celebrating his silver jubilee.
So, the President of the Republic of Ghana will be in now, and then Otumfo Osei-Tutu will also be in now. So we are streaming live from the Kumasi International Airport. So with the laptop you can. Yeah, so this is the re-entry of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Yeah, so this is the President of the Republic of Ghana coming, plus Otumfo Osei-Tutu. Yeah, so the President of the Republic of Ghana will be now, plus Otumfo Osei-Tutu. Yeah, so you see that when the king is coming, there will be a lot of people supporting him. So it's all these people are to pave way for him to come and then pass. You know what I'm saying? Please kindly share the video, share and then like the video. Yeah. Oh, I believe let's see. They could not do that. So that's the reopening of the Kumasi International Airport. The Kumasi National Airport. So very soon, very soon,
for Malaysia South, and he is the Minister of Energy, Honorable Dr. Matthew Poku Prampa aka Nabo here. The Minister of Energy, the MP for Malaysia South, the dynamic Dr. Matthew Poku Prampa aka Dr. Nabo.
Yeah, so this is a broadcast of a tune for TV Plus, and we are streaming live inside the Kumasi International Airport, the reopening of the Kumasi International Airport. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. So from now up to when the president will be available, we are going to shoot everything for you to see. So those of you watching from the United States, please, if you come on, subscribe, comment, and then share the video for this and many more. So this is what actually happened inside the Kumasi International Airport. Arrival of the great personality. This is what's actually happening. So very soon the king of the Ashanti Otunfo will be available soon. So this is all means to pave way for His Excellency and the 21st to come. So from the MPP political party, as they always do, they don't disappoint. So they are all here since the government on board is the MPP. So they are all here to support the move. So as you can see them, they are all being branded in their outfits, supporting what is actually going on. So this is some of the great personalities available for the program before the president of Ghana will be available. A lot of great personalities around here supporting what is actually going on. So there's the MPP team, as you can see them right there. Since the government on power right now is the MPP, they are all here, to support the MPP and NAPO. Why are you doing? Oh no, we'll be a contact.
Yeah, okay. Try it too. Try. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yadamase P. Yadamase. All right, well, thank you so much. You may resume your seats.
Oh, the live start. You start. We'll come the time. watching from the USA, the UK, please like and share the video. So there's a recommissioning of the Kumasi International Airport, and we are seeing live on your screen. So this one on the Kumasi International Airport. That's what you are watching. We have great personalities inside here. They are all here to support the show, and very soon Excellency will be available, and the King of Kumasi will also be available. So we are chilling right here. If you want all live from this channel, please subscribe and like this video. So there's a live broadcast inside of the video. So all protocols observed inside here. So we are now waiting for the president of Ghana and Otumfo Osei-Tutu Opemso. We are now waiting for this great community. I can see you coming on it. Please subscribe and share. Yeah, so this is inside the auditorium of yeah, so very soon the president of the Republic of Ghana will be available, and so we'll start doing all this inside here. For those of you watching from the US, the UK, watching from inside the USA and the UK, there's the auditorium. And as you can see, we have a lot of great personalities right here. And please, if you come on, kindly subscribe and like the video. So this and many more, I'll be serving you a lot of content over here. And big personalities will be available right here to support. Yeah, they will be available to support. So please, I can see people watching. Please like the video. Like the video. Very soon, the president of the Republic of Ghana will be available. The president of the Republic of Ghana will be available. So I'm here streaming live, bring it to you from the auditorium of where the program is actually going on. Those of you watching from the USA, I can see you. If you're watching from the UK, please drop a flag. Let me see. If you're watching from the USA, drop a flag. Let me see. If you're watching from the UK, drop a flag. Let me see. If you're watching from the USA or the UK. If you're watching from the USA or the UK, drop a flag. Drop a flag, let me see where you're watching from. Drop a flag, let me see where. If you're watching it from the USA or the UK, please drop a flag, let me see where you're watching it from. Drop a flag, let me see the country you're watching it from. If you're watching it from the USA or the UK, please drop a flag, let me see where you're watching it from. If you're watching it from the USA or the UK, please drop a flag, let me see where you're watching it from. Please kindly drop a flag. Let me see where you're watching it from. Drop a flag of the country you're watching it from. You're watching it from the USA or the UK. Please drop a flag. Let me see where you're watching it from. Wherever country you're watching it from, please drop a flag. Let me see. drop a flag of where you're watching it from. Drop a flag of where you're watching it from. Please can you drop? Yeah, so please drop a flag of where you're watching it from, a country that you're watching it from. Watching it from the USA or the UK. Please drop a flag, let me see. So very soon, the President of the Republic of Ghana will be available. And coming from, but I'm a phone.
Where are you on Facebook?
YouTube.
Okay.
On the channel is here. We don't want to run it.
I know why it's stable. Money shaking.
I said views is there.
Oh yeah, 200. Yeah.
Republic of Ghana. So there's the red carpet that will be hosting the president. The red carpet that the president will be passing on. So very soon, the president will be available, and then the recommission will begin to take place. Very soon, the president will be available, and the recommission will begin to take place. Very soon, the president of Ghana will be available, and then the main program will start to take place. The main program will start to take place. Very, 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 very soon. Very soon, the president will be available. So, guys, please like the video. Let's like the video, and then please subscribe for me. Subscribe for me. This is the reopening, and then I'm here to bring you all the fun entertainment, all that you need to watch today. Very soon, the president of Ghana will be available, and the king of Kumasi, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo will be available now. So please, when you come on here, subscribe, like, and share the video. Very soon, the president of Ghana will be available. The president of the Republic of Ghana will be available. Available. What's up? What's up, bro?
Hey.
What's up?
I did.
So you are how should I say? Okay, so you say something to me. We are live on Otumfuo television. So the USA and the UK people are watching. You can tell them something. The reopening of the Kumasi International Airport. Tell them something. Oh, they are watching you. Oh, they are watching you.
Thank you very much. Kumasi International Airport, #1. Yes, I'm an OWUSU fan. Thank you for watching. And also, it's an anniversary that we are celebrating. This international airport will be international airport. The whole Ghana does have an important.
Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Please, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm an OWUSU fan.
Emmanuel Owusu Kwate.
Kumasi Technical University.
Where?
Kumasi Technical University.
Kumasi Technical University. Okay, so he's from the Kumasi Technical University. Bye-bye, bro. Okay, so let's pass in and then have a short view inside what is actually transpiring over here. Please, those of you watching, please drop a flag of where you're watching it from. Drop a flag of where you're watching it from. Please drop a flag of Please drop a flag of where you're watching it from.
over to Amen.
Ojobin traditional area. Ghana OWUSU board is second. He is the chairman of OWUSU Silver Jubilee Celebration Planning Committee. Ghana OWUSU board, you are graciously welcome. We are the chairman of the Council of States. Banging Ojobin traditional area, Ghana OWUSU board, I want to see
Chama was all mom's school. Boy. Boy. As an start taking I was a comes to the interview then respectfully, you may take your seats. Yeah, so please keep on dropping the flag. Please keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from. Let me know where you're watching it from. Please keep on dropping the flag. Keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from.
The father of the nation, the king of Ashanti, over here to grace this auspicious occasion.
So keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from.
The 25th anniversary Planning Committee. The 6th of February 2024 at the Fort Mabakaya at the auspices of the Planning Committee. We have a celebrity symposium.
So guys, keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from. You're watching it from the States, you're watching it from the UK, the USA. Please keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from.
We have a celebrity level and Catherine and the Master Police. We want all to have a regional cleanup exercise.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel.
Who won there, man? And the commissioner of us on 2 floor say to the second Jubilee Hall. We have the King's concert at the Regional Jubilee Hall, and then we have the interdenomination Thanksgiving church service.
So far as you can see, it's a very big place at the
Thank the Lord for the 25th anniversary of His Majesty for 2462 this year. Among the events, we commissioned the Mansion Museum and opened it to public once again. If you recall his birthday was on the 6th of May. Throughout this week has been the Chancellor's Week, and on the 12th of May, the Sunday will be the Grand Ambassador to Kumasi, the 25th anniversary of His Majesty to the second.
keep on dropping the flag. Let me see.
We invite you and encourage you to be there physically and present as we honor our King.
Please keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from. Keep on dropping the flag. Let me know the country you're watching it from. If you're watching it from the States, please keep on dropping the flag. Let me see where you're watching it from. Okay, so Germany. Nanatiwa, Germany. A big shout out to Nanatiwa. Gilbert, I'm proud to be a Ghanaian. Enemies are not God. Gilbert, thank you so much. Black family says forget villages. MDC, no please. Black family, please make sure your comments are very decent, please. Please let's drop a very decent comment. Please drop a very decent comment. No insult. Whoever said I'm watching it from China. Oh, what do I see? Nana say England, I'm watching. Thank you, Nana say. I keep on dropping the comments. I'll be reading it for you. Watching you from London. Nanado has done it. Kuprudu Eshi. Okay, so Yaobuadu London. Thank you so much. Prince Asari from US. Thank you so much. Please keep on dropping your comments. I'm watching you from Germany. Thank you for watching. Is this one also Show Boys project? Yes, that's also part of Nanado's project. Please, decent comment. Nanatiwa, watching you from Germany. Nanatiwa, thank you for watching from Germany. So very soon, the president of Ghana will be arriving soon. We'll be broadcasting it live to you. Guys, keep on bringing your... Wow, we thank God. What an awesome way to crown. I am watching from UK. Oh, thank you for watching from UK. Those of you watching from UK, please drop your flag. I'm watching you from UK. Nana, you do all. Thank you for watching. We Doma people, we will not use this effort. Oh, Doma. Oh, but we are all one people. We are all one people. MPP 2024 all the way. Thank you. Watching you from the USA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Those of you watching from the USA and Germany, please keep on dropping your flag. Keep on dropping your flags. Drop your flag. Let me see where you're watching it from. Congratulations to Nana. Vancouver. Thank you for watching. Those of you watching from Vancouver, Chicago, thank you. I'm watching from UK. Thank you. Those of you watching from the UK and the USA, thank you. Keep on dropping your comments. I'm watching you from Italy. Thank you. Charles Nyamiche, why is saying Zongo Airport? Watching from Saudi Arabia, thank you. Tears of joy, watching from Saudi Arabia, watching from the USA, thank you. Please, no. Please make sure you drop a decent comment. No insult, please. If Doma people, the money has something for issue now. Says Zongo Airport, says hey, but Kukum, do you have New York City in Kukum? Kukum, do you have New York City? Watching from Strasbourg, okay, Strasbourg, France. Thank you for watching, thank you. From Germany, brilliant Anthony watching. Thank you for watching.
The DC for office stuff. Commandant Honorable Ahmed Sifa Wapo. The DC for dancing off. Formina Honorable Eric Kusi. The DC for Agrofrom. Honorable Morris Jonas Wood. The DC for Ajman Kodua. Make welcome the DC for Dancing South, Honorable Francis Ankuma, and the MC for Mekwai Municipal Assembly, Honorable Pekuche Bafo. We also welcome the DC for KWABENA South, Honorable Christian Adrupoku, and the MC for Kwamaso, Honorable Richmond Ajidim Water. Again, welcome.
Please keep on dropping your flag. I want to know where you're watching it from, so keep on dropping your flag. I'm watching you from Kukum, the operation. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for supporting this magnificent edifice, which will be the gateway to the rest of the world.
Watching it live from Southampton, UK. Apollo B, you guys are doing a great job. Thank you. What can you get to the airport? Oh, Doma, we are all Ghanaians, so we shouldn't sabotage anybody. I'm also emotional now. Thank God for this wonderful day. May His name be glorified. I'm watching you from USA. Thank you for watching. Okay. Now you're telling me to read all your comments, but I'll make sure I will read on decent comments. So please drop a decent comment. If you want me to read your comment, please drop a decent comment. Let me read for you. Bravo Ghana, I am watching you from Longboard in UK. Well done. Thank you for watching. Oh UK people, I can see you. I can see you all. The UK and the USA people, I can see you all. I'm watching from Columbus, Ohio State. Thank you. Yo, but please drop a very decent comment. Watching this video from the USA. Gonna look fine. Police, NF, KWABENA, thank you so much. Please drop a very decent comment. I'll read it for you. A very decent comment. Drop a decent. Let's keep the numbers increasing. 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 Let's hit 1K. Let's go to 4K, please. Please share the video. Share, let's keep the numbers increasing. Please share, let's keep the numbers increasing. Let's increase the numbers, please. Let's keep the number increasing. Let's go to 1K, please. Please drop the flag of the country you're watching it from. Drop the flag of the country you're watching it from. Please drop the flag of the country you're watching it from. So you know when you are talking about. Let's keep the numbers increasing. I am watching you from UK. This is very beautiful. Thank you. We haven't even seen anything yet. We are now about to go and then have a commissioning. We're going to look at the planes and then everything. Please let's go to 4K. Let's go to 4K. Let's take it to 4K, please. Let's hit 4K. This is named after my great grandfather, Grandpa the First. My grandfather was Ohene Boache Dunkwao. Oh wow. Joseph Boache, thank you. Please, I am figuring out all comments that are on YouTube. Please drop a very decent comment. If you want me to read your comment for you, please drop a very decent comment. This is not for NDC, this is not for MPP. This is for all Ghanaians, because not only MPP people will be traveling here. All parties will be traveling here. So please, we shouldn't supone. It's not for only MPP, it's not for only NDC. It's for everybody. It's not for only NPP. It's not for only MPP, it's not for only NPP. It's for the whole Ghana. Yeah, so let's go. Please keep on dropping. Okay, from Germany, thank you. Keep on dropping your flags. Let me know where you're watching it from. Keep on dropping the flag. Let me know where you're watching it from. Watching you from Germany. Thank you. Watching you live from George, Western Cape South, South Africa. Thank you. We thank God. May the good Lord richly bless Nanado and Baumia. Thank you. But please note, the project is for all Ghanaians. The project is not only for MPP or NDC. It's for all Ghanaians. So please drop a very decent comment. Please, let's drop a very decent comment. Let's go. So let's hit 1K. Watching from London. Thank you for watching. Watching from the USA. Thank you for watching. Watching from New York. Thank you for watching. My son is also watching from Florida. Oh, thank you for showing this to us. We appreciate. Please subscribe to the channel and keep on dropping your flags. USA, UK, Germany. I'm watching from USA. Thank you. Those of you watching from the USA and the UK, please keep on watching. Keep on watching. Please keep on dropping your flags. We can now fly straight to Kumasi. Yeah, sure. We can now fly straight to Kumasi. This is not only for MPP. Yeah, it's a project for all Ghanaians. So, watching from Canada, thank you. We can now fly straight. I'm watching from, this one I can't, watching from Italy. I'm watching from you. I'm watching you from a training minions. Yeah, please. Please. The comments, some comments, I can't read it. Watching from UK, thank you. I'm watching from Kumasi. And thank you. Charity Nyano, thank you. Good work, thank you. I'm watching from the USA, thank you. Watching from the UK, thank you. Those of you watching from the UK, please drop your flags. And the USA, please keep on dropping your flags. So very soon, Nana will be available. Please keep on dropping your flags. Let me know where you're watching it from. Please alert the people not to be stepping on the green grass. Okay. I'll alert them not to step on the green grass. I was born in Kumasi. You were born in Kumasi, okay, and where are you now? Watching you from Canada. I am so proud. Kumasi now have international airport. Yeah, sure. Kumasi now have international airport, sure. I was born in, you were born in Kumasi, and where are you from now? And where are you now? I know you were born in Kumasi, so where are you now? Excellent work, thank you. I'm watching from Dortmund, Germany, thank you. So very soon, the cane will be available. Please, let's take it to 1K. Let's take it to 4K. Watching from USA, thank you. Especially, I was born in Asafo. Oh, wow. You were born in Asafo. So where are you?
This is Yvonne Nana Afri of Paris.
I'm watching from San Francisco. San Francisco Bay Area. Okay. Please, let's keep on sharing. Let's hit 4K. All the way from USA. Thank you for watching. All my US people, I can see you. I'm watching you live from Italy. Thank you for watching. Italy, thank you for watching.
Mr. Nathaniel Wilson.
Yeah, I'm feeling the USA and the UK people.
Mr. Ty.
Watching you live in Italy.
And of course,
thank you. Watching you from Virginia in US.
Writer, Mr. KWABENA Yeboah. Oluwa.
Okay, so very soon, Mr. KWABENA Yeboah will be available. I'm watching from Qatar. Thank you for watching. Watching from Saudi Arabia. Thank you for watching. Watching from Virginia, USA. Thank you for watching. Please, if you drop where you're watching from, please drop your flag. I'm watching from Northampton, UK. Guys, keep the good work. We are keeping on serving you. So please keep on watching. Don't drop any comment that you think it's abusive. Watching the program direct from Vicenza, Italy. Thank you. Oh, I said this comment I don't like. Born in Kumasi, I'm a Kum. Watching from Canada. This is great. Thank you. KWABENA Yeboah is my favorite TV presenter. So, that's why. Watching from Toronto. I hate thank you when my network as I start with the drop. This is my first time about to do live. Yeah. I'm watching from Mauritania. Thank you. Sport highlight was your favorite. Oh, okay. So in this channel, we will be bringing you highlights. We'll be bringing you highlights, so please subscribe to the channel. We'll be bringing you sports highlights too, so keep on watching, subscribe. Watching from Sin City, New York. Thank you. Thanks for the good welcome. Several WhatsApp groups from Stanford in Virginia. And please, we have our WhatsApp group also available. So
This is indeed a particular event.
if you want to join our WhatsApp group, you can also bring your number and then you add it to our WhatsApp group. The US and the UK people,
And
if you want to
indeed,
join,
it's historical.
you can keep on dropping your WhatsApp numbers and we'll be adding it. Yeah, so this is Chairman to me. Chairman among all chairman.
The President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, will be arriving soon. Same way, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II will be arriving very, very soon. And once again, let's make welcome the Director General of the Civil Aviation Authority, Engineer Charles Okweku, and all the board members, management of the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority. We are most grateful for your presence.
Guys, let's go to 4K. We're not talking about worrying. Let's go to 4K. Yeah, so this is Chairman with me. The chairman of all chairmans. Chairman with me. Come on. Guys, let's go to 1K. That's what was worrying me. Let's go. Please, let's keep sharing. So now the network is very stable, so let's keep going. Let's hit 1K. Keep on dropping your flags.
We welcome the Chief Imam, the Regional Chief Imam, and some senior journalists here. Subsequent Chair, the General Manager of Hello FM. Regional Women's Organizer, Nanama Ababa, thank you. And the CEO of Veronique Heiss, Miss Mahima Sahle. If you never visited, the Veronique Heiss, an opportunity for you. The first-class residential area in Yami. Today we're working together Acting Regional Organizer, the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Francis Adamako, aka Francois. As a welcome the board chair, PMFC, Honorable Kirsten Kisi, and the Deputy Managing Director, Madame Josephine Ajaku.
Nana Kofi. Is there can do an interview? Please keep on dropping your flags. Let me know where you're watching it from. Keep on dropping your flags. Let me know where you're watching it from. So very soon the President of Ghana will be available. Keep on watching. Please let me keep on dropping your flags. Let me know where you're watching it from. Okay, so let's go to 10K. Take me to 10K. Let's go to 10K. Keep on dropping your. Let me know where you're watching it from. Drop your flags. Please keep the comments coming. Let me know where you're watching it from. Watching you from Kenyago, Tabita. Thank you.
Kumasi Airport, your friend of the first international airport to Asante Mana, they are taken. Nane, Yadawasian, so I,
Alright, this is where it goes up. Good stuff, tell you. So very soon, Open Soul will be coming. Guys, so sorry for the interruption. The network was worrying me. So sorry. So guys, let's go. Let's pick it up. Let's go to 1K. Let's go. So His Excellency will be available now. And Otumfo will also be available now. Please, let's go. The network was worrying me. Please, let's go. Please, my warmest regards to my family in Ghpage in the Ashanti region. I am in Italy. Thank you. Yeah, so there's the arrival of Otumfo or 32. Opemswo is now coming. Opemswo is coming. I didn't mean your power bank back to the cool. This is the back to the cool. I don't fast. Yeah, so guys, there's the coming of Otumfo 82. Oluman is coming. Otumfo 82 is coming. Let us all get together over here and then welcome Otumfo 82. The Ashanti king, the biggest king of our time, is coming. Otumfo 82 is coming. Those of you you're watching us live on Otumfo.tv. So the greatest king is coming. The greatest king among all kings is coming. Guys, let's go to 10K. Let's take me to 10K. Otumfo is coming. Let's take me to 10K. Yeah, so this is a display before Otumfo arrives. Let's take it to 10K, guys. Let's take it to 10K. Please keep on dropping your comments. Keep on dropping your comments. Otumfo 32. Otumfo, those arrival of Otumfo 32. That is a 2-4 safety 2. That is a 2-4 safety 2. That is a 2-4 safety 2. The greatest king of our time.
Who say man no day?
There's a 2-4 safety 2. He is the greatest king of our time. So guys, let's follow up and then go look up at them from. Guys, let's go. Let us go have a look at a 2-4.
Respectfully, shall we all be on our feet as we welcome the sustainable occupant of the golden stool, the King of Ashanti, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II.
Camera no kwana betina about no mutina obwa camera no mutia mutia. Boss. Come here saw.
Oh yeah, sure. International plane will land in Kumasi. But about Myanmar, so it's for development. You have to why. Yes, the plane will be landing in Kumasi. If you're coming from the USA or the UK, your plane will be coming straight to Kumasi. YouTube for her. YouTube. I don't go back, Baba. I don't go back, Baba. They can't talk now.
They come down. Cause I'm small.
Get 12 kills.
I just put the commercial break.
The food was Friday.
Go do the whole.
I mean, you always say me come. I don't go back. Bobby. Give me money. Give me money. I'm go back. Here this one. Cut up power bank about. Have a colo. Money no dey inside. Money no dey inside.
It's cut down. Back inside. If you come on, then it's half some. But you don't have the battery. Huh?
This one, you go off. Huh? You go off. You get like 4. That's it. 3. The first one. Get out. How do you come on my place out?